Hey guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today's video is a tutorial video, a Zazzle requested video. I'm gonna show you how to make Zazzle calendar. This time we're gonna be actually designing the Zazzle calendar with a picture, like the photo template. So we're gonna actually going to together design the photo template for calendars, because this is a kind of like a July, almost gonna be ending soon with the almost gonna be ending soon. It's like July right now, so it's gonna end soon, and then the people will going to start buying for the calendars and the planners in kind of like a November and December, and it usually takes 2 to 3 months to settle down in the platform. So if I don't count the July, I have August, September, October, like 3 months perfect. And November and December, people started buying for January, the new year calendars and planners and all that stuff. So we're gonna design this in-depth, step-by-step tutorial. Let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. Guys, don't forget that I have a Zazzle product for you to help you make more sales, to get the more sales. I'm sharing everything that I've learned so far based on my own Zazzle journey as a designer and making thousands of dollars on Zazzle. Okay, so I have some products. The first product I have is a Zazzle beginner's kit, a step-by-step tutorial in-depth course to help you get started with the Zazzle. And also, if you get started with the Zazzle but you don't know how to find the niche or product research, all that stuff, title, tag, description, designing the products, in-depth video to help you actually get the sales on Zazzle, make sure you check the course tutorial, the beginner kit. It is a beginner kit. I name it as a beginner kit because it's basically catering to the beginners, but also catering to the people who started with the Zazzle shop, but I haven't seen the sales yet, or I haven't seen any success with their Zazzle shop. Then also this course is for them, because I'm sharing how to design, title, tag, description, everything. Make sure you grab it. The link is in description. It's a PDF download. The second product I have, a Zazzle workbook, kind of like a planner. It's also a PDF download that you can download it. You can fill it out. The above is the written instruction. Below is the space for you to write for your own shop. It will going to help you reach your shop to the next level that you are looking for. The third product I have is a Zazzle ebook. It's a small short ebook that will going to help you, and I'm actually sharing some of the tips and tricks and strategies based on my own experience in that ebook. It's a PDF download. The link is in description. The last product I have is a Zazzle audiobook. It's kind of like an audio course. You can listen. I think it's almost around like a 1 hour. You can listen while doing your chore or while going for errands or whatever it is. You can listen to them to get some in-depth knowledge about the Zazzle, to bring in the sales and all that stuff. The link is in description. All are digital products. The links are in description. I also have free products. Make sure to check the description for more depth. Okay guys, and do consider subscribing guys, because I've seen a lot of the people are not subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel, because I will make more videos for you guys, and I'm also gonna take a request and your comments, your video topics from you guys, and make a video on that. So make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, let's dive into my laptop and we'll begin the tutorial. Actually take a look at the calendar on the Zazzle to get some idea. Just type on the Zazzle search bar as a calendar. There are picture calendars. Okay. You can also create a picture calendar, or you can create an artwork calendar, like you can see this one. It's kind of like a magnet. It's not a calendar, but there is more like picture calendars like this. Or you could have the illustration calendars, or you could have the pet picture. Like usually there are picture calendars, or you can make any artwork calendars. Okay, so we get the idea. And if I take a look at any specific calendar for the sake of the video, let's take a look at this particular one, exactly the different layers that they have designed. So you can see this is the January, February, March. Okay, it's okay, they have the picture. Mostly it's a picture calendars or illustration calendar. Obviously the calendar people buy usually for that only. But you have this, please don't copy the designs of this particular store, because I made this store for making the videos for you guys. Please don't copy the products that are in this store. Okay, so let's go over create new product over here. we are making a calendar, either you can type in the search bar or you can look at in the categories that our Zazzle is actually mentioning over here. I think I'm gonna find one. Let me see if I can find one, or else I'll type it. Office and school category, the calendar is there. Click over to the calendar. You got the different calendar: 2-page medium calendar, 2-page large, 2-page single page. So you get the 2-page or single page, or you can also create the magnetic card. Here we are. So we're gonna create, I think, the 2-page calendar, or you can also create the single page. It depends on you. Let's go to the customize this design. 2025 January, obviously. Okay, so let's take a look at the layers. So we have the cover and the back, and we got here 12 pages. Okay, so we have like in total 14 layers here that we need to work on. So cover and back could be images, or I mean, you can just play around with this idea. So in the cover, see what I can do over here. So let's go to the background. I'm gonna choose this color. You can choose any color of your choice, and I'm gonna choose some text over here, whatever name. Okay, calendar 2025. And obviously you have to update your calendars every single year. If you're actually going with the old products, you can go and back and update your calendars, update your design. Actually just uses as a 2000 and 2 times X if you don't want to use the date. 2025, I'm gonna increase the size because I'm using a text over here. So I'm gonna increase the size so that, and the most important point is make it as a template object, and right here I'm gonna write the same thing, calendar 2025. Boom. Don't mess up with the URL parameter name. Okay, don't mess up with this one, otherwise this won't work as a template. Okay, you can change the font, but I think I like the font, so I'm gonna stick with this font. I'm gonna go to the back section, and I'm gonna use the same color, and I'm gonna just write over here, add your text, or you can also write a company name, company logo. Like companies also need a calendars every single year they give to their clients or customer or whatever. I think I'm gonna decrease the size over here to 61. Okay, perfect. And make it as a template, add your text, and boom. Okay, so that's the first thing. Of course I can change the fonts, but I'm not going to change it. Next thing I'm going to write is about the company name or title. You can also write their contact stuff. So I'm going to go and do that. So www.website.com. I'm just making it this way so that people can add their own stuff. And business@email.com. This is kind of contact information. I also can make @social media. Okay, they can put their social media handles and business and website. You can also enter the address and the phone number and all other stuff details over here as well. So I'm going to decrease the size of this one. 31 would work here. Let's change the font. I love this font. This looks super cute, isn't it? And again, it's a template object. Go back over here and make it as the contact info. Contact info. Obviously you can write your own product page label. It depends on you. I think I have a license. You can have a license. So this is just, I'm creating random. Okay guys, you can create your own like license number if you want to create the license number for the calendar, like the artwork if you're placing, or any kind of the illustration you are placing, then you can create the license. Obviously I'm going to decrease the size, make it as a template object. Now we need to design the individual pages. This is the first page, that's the January. Now you could place the illustration on every single page if you like to, or you could actually have the picture or anything like that. You can go forward into pictures that I took from my DSLR camera, so I can use these pictures for creating the calendar. I mean, why not? So I'm just gonna upload 12 pictures because for the 12-page calendar, and I'll just select the ones that I would like to have page 1, and I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna have for the page 1. I think I like this one. So this is for my January month. I'm keeping this image over here. Of course you can maximize it and you can do a lot of the stuffs with this image. I'm gonna make it as a template object. So, and oops, go undo it. You can always undo and redo. If you want to go back, you can undo it, and if you want to go forward, you can redo it. Okay, and then in the product label, I'm gonna write, people get confused, so I'm gonna write January, or simple, keep it as a Jan image 1. I think that makes sense, right? So if they see they want to change this image, they can change it. Then I'm gonna select the page 2 and place another image over here. Now this is a image based product that we are creating with the calendar. You can create the text page, you can place the illustration, whatever you would like to create. For the February, I'm gonna pick up this one, template object, and this time I'm gonna write fab image 1, obviously, because it's the fab image 1 or fab image 2, whatever. Third page for the March, let's select for the March upload image, because I like the beach. Object here, you can also make it permanent, but customers can't edit it, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna select this one for April, May. May image 5. So this is for the June. So we have this flower one for July. Okay, it's look cool. The water in the December. Usually it snows. But done with all the layers, so click over to the done, and let's check how it's actually looking. Calendar 2025. You can see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and here we go with the back cover. You can select the individual calendar pages, you can select any mock-up image, or you can upload your own. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, calendar 2025. I mean, you can also place the image over here. Let's go and click over to personalize again, and you can see all our stuff is here. People can add the things, the images and text. But let's just go back to the front page, and I'm gonna add it using design tool, and I'm gonna place some picture over here. So here we are. Now there are the people in the pictures, but that's okay, nobody can see that. I'm gonna keep it as a backward, and I'm gonna just adjust this calendar 2025. I think I'm gonna decrease the size 91. Okay, it's visible, and I can put this as editable front image. Okay, it's the front image. To change the color, I mean, you can choose any color. If I change the color and see which one fits perfect, or I can choose the blue color or green color. Blue if I choose the green color. I think green color looks best. Yeah, and click done. So calendar 2025, and we have added all the image. Once you're done with that, click over to the select button, obviously. Write your title. Now since it's selected to the nature images, so I'm gonna write nature. So we got nature waterfall image, add your text 2025 content calendar. So select the department, the design. I'm just gonna write design in the description. Obviously you can write it. You can select the store category, events, occasions, recipe, and everything. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna take a look at the tags. So it's 2025 calendar title tags, and then you can use it. It's selected for audience G, general audience. Select the royalty percentage. I'm gonna keep it as a 9. You can keep it as a 10, and then post it. Boom. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Your questions and comments and queries are really welcome. Guys, please let me know if you have any video topics and you want me to make a video on, your questions as well related to Zazzle, print on demand, any art selling website, any creative help or artist help that you need from me. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.